one is really hard.
Yeah, there were some I wasn't too sure of. The skinnier ones.
Yeah.
After all the husks have been peeled off. Nice and tender. And then what are you going to do next?
Boil it.
Boil it or brine it?
Boil it first. Boil for 20 minutes with a little bit salt water.
Mm-hmm.
And then 20 minutes. And then I can put some in the brine, some in the freezer. If some you dry it, then dry it. Yeah.
Very nice. Very nice. I'm going to try one.
Actually, someone eat it. There's someone where. What do you think?
Quite tasty.
Really?
Yeah. Have a bite.
A little bit bitterness.
That'll come out with the salt
Yeah.
and the boiling. Very good, my darling. Good job.